Module Overview. This module is centered around turning your website into a functioning digital business hub. While the previous modules focused on design, content, and audience engagement, Module 7 will guide you through the integration of e-commerce platforms, digital payment systems, inventory management, and monetization strategies suitable for artists, illustrators, printmakers, and art educators. You'll learn how to sell original artworks, prints, digital products like ebooks or tutorials, commission services, and more, directly through your website or connected platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or WooCommerce. This module also dives deep into passive income options and advanced tactics like digital product bundles, art licensing, and print-on-demand integrations. Section 1. E-commerce fundamentals for artists. Why monetization matters. Many artists hesitate to sell on their websites, fearing it may devalue the artistic essence. But monetization doesn't mean commercialization. It means sustainability. Benefits: full control over pricing and inventory, elimination of middlemen, RR galleries, immediate revenue stream, global reach. Section 2. Choosing an e-commerce structure. There are 3 primary ways to monetize through your website. 1. Integrated storefronts. Embed a store directly on your site using Shopify, great for full stores, standalone domain. WooCommerce, best for WordPress users. BigCommerce, Ecwid, or Wix stores. These platforms allow you to list products with images and descriptions, handle shipping and tax, manage orders, collect payments. 2. External store. Linkage. Rather than selling directly, you link to Etsy, Redbubble, Society6, Patreon, Gumroad, Ko-fi. This reduces tech setup but limits control and branding. 3. Commission-based inquiries. Instead of a full store, use a custom order form or email inquiry system for portrait commissions, tattoo design, personalized gifts, murals or installations. Use tools like Typeform, Cognito Forms, or Google Forms with automation to streamline. Section 3. Setting up digital payments. A vital part of e-commerce is the ability to receive money securely and easily. Payment gateways to consider: PayPal, Stripe, Flutterwave, especially for African creators, Paystack, Square. Make sure your website has SSL security displays. Accepted payment methods includes return refund policies. Section 4. Product listings and inventory management. Your product listing must be compelling, informative, and search-optimized. Listing elements: high-resolution product images, multiple angles, framed, unframed, detailed descriptions, dimensions, medium, shipping terms, quantity and stock availability, pricing tiers, e.g., original versus print, inventory, tips. Use SKU codes to track versions. Set limited editions to increase demand. Use order notifications and inventory alerts. Pro tip: offer bundles or collections, e.g., a print plus ebook or 3 prints at a discount. Section 5. What can you sell as an artist? Tangible products. Original works, signed or open edition prints, sketchbooks, merchandise, stickers, mugs, t-shirts, digital products, desktop wallpapers, Procreate brushes, coloring pages, art ebooks or zines, video tutorials or digital classes, services, commissioned portraits or illustrations, logo, artwork design, online coaching, or critiques. Section 6. Passive income and print on demand. Passive income allows you to make money while you sleep. Consider selling your art on print-on-demand platforms like Printful, Guten Society, licensing your art on stock platforms, creating art courses or tutorials hosted on platforms like Teachable or Gumroad Tip. Always negotiate licensing contracts properly, retain copyright, define scope, and duration. Section 7. Pricing strategies for artists. Factors to consider: material and time cost, skill and uniqueness, market comparison, collector demand format, digital versus physical, Common models: flat pricing, same for all; tiered pricing, small, medium, large prints; dynamic pricing, limited editions priced higher; psychological pricing, use prices like $49.99 or $97 to psychologically anchor value. Section 8. Building trust and encouraging sales conversions rely on trust. Make your buyers feel secure. Trust elements, reviews and testimonials. Artist guarantees, return, refund policies. Professional photos and packaging displays. SSL encryption and secure checkout badges include messages like, "Your order will be packed with care and shipped within 3 business days." Section 10. Tracking analytics and sales performance use. Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or Shopify, WooCommerce dashboards. 2. Monitor product views and conversions. Identify best-selling items. See traffic sources. Test different product copy or images, A/B testing, regular analysis, better performance, and more income. Summary of Module 7. This module empowers you to monetize your art with strategy, systems, and storytelling. Whether you sell physical pieces, digital downloads, or offer creative services, your website should be more than a gallery. It should be a working storefront that grows with your career.